Hey friends, today we'll create a JavaScript class to manage bank accounts with common operations like deposit, withdraw, and transfer. We'll learn how to model these actions and update balances properly between accounts. Let's get started with the code. We want a class representing a bank account holding account number, holder name, and balance. The key operations are depositing money, withdrawing money with balance checks, and transferring money to another account. Will ensure the balance updates correctly and displays messages for success or errors. We start by creating the bank account class with three properties. The deposit method adds money and logs success. The withdraw method checks balance before subtracting. And the transfer method checks balance, deducts from sender, and deposits into the recipient account. We create two accounts and perform these operations step by step. Each method ensures balances are updated correctly and logs transaction status. Withdrawals and transfers check for sufficient funds before proceeding. The display method shows current balances to track changes. We see how depositing increases balance immediately. Withdrawals reduce balance only if funds are enough. Transfers deduct from one account and add to the other, keeping totals consistent. This class model is the foundation of many financial and banking applications. Understanding how to manage multiple accounts and transactions is essential for secure money handling in software. It is also a great example for learning object-oriented programming concepts. Today, we've built a robust bank account system with essential transactions. This example illustrates practical use of classes and methods in JavaScript. Try expanding it with interest in calculations or transaction histories for more practice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.